You ready to go outside? It's pretty early. Wow. Merry Christmas. Let's go find Herman. Where's Herman? Where's Herman? I guess he found Herman. Oh my God. This was not it. We're supposed to have flurries. Well, at least the wind stopped blowing. The little Spitz. Little Spitz. Spitz poop. We're supposed to be going south to Virginia today. We can't even get out of the driveway hardly. Coat! Oh my goodness. Can't see the mountains. Coat! It's his favorite spot for some reason. I think that's where the deer poop. Who are they? There he is. Good boy. We're going to take a ride in the truck today. We're going to take a ride in the truck. You going to take a ride in the truck with me? Wow. What a freak show. All right. So it begins.